Let's do it. There's squarebill fish to be caught out here. Oh, here we go. Oh. There's the crankbait fish I've been waiting to get on camera. Yeah, you got the shit out of that, big guy. Oh, all right, quick release. That's fine. That's okay. Oh, we're back. Oh, shit. We're back in somewhat fishable water here. Hopefully I can get some more bites like that. This is a smaller one. This is a smaller fish. Much smaller. Oh, man. Quick releases all day, huh? There we go. Yeah. Came off again. I don't know if I'm just not setting the hook or if I'm setting the hook too hard. Like, I don't know. I don't know if these things really need a hook set because they're treble hooks. I keep missing fish, man. Let's see if there's anybody over there that's hungry. Some weeds. Some hungry weeds. I'm looking for hungry fish. We found some weeds, all right. Oh yeah. Just now noticing that there's a whole cove right here that's shallow. There's a fish. There's a fish. This is a tiny fish. What in the heck? How did this little guy get a hold of this? How did you manage that? Jeez, yeah, you got it. Okay. Losing my grip. Getting Vietnam flashbacks to getting a pike and getting all kinds of hooked up on here. So we're gonna plier it up. Yep. Go home. I don't think that was even a fish. I think it was just some weeds. That might be a fish. Yep, that's a fish. That's a good one. Better than the last several. Just like that, man. How did you hook yourself like this, man? What did you do? What did you do, you little goofball? Made me think that you were bigger than you were. You really just got foul hooked. I have no doubt that he went for this bait, but gosh, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. I don't want to get hooked, man. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. I am trying to assist you, and you're not making it easy. Okay. I'm probably gonna lose my grip as soon as I get this hook out. Okay, he's still on. Still got the one hook in him. If you would just relax for like 5 seconds, man. If you would just relax, you got that one hook in you. You got it pretty good. There. Now your hook's out. Nice little healthy fish, but geez Louise. Probably initially had that front hook in him and then threw that front hook, and the back hook was the one that stayed put. But we're getting into him, man. All right. Found another spot that's got some fish on it. See if we can't get some more. Sitting way off of a point right now. See if we can't get some fish doing this. I already had one fish and one bite before I turned the camera on. I'm like, well, this must be it. Oh, that's a good one. That one bit hard, man. Oh yeah, that one hit it. Oh. Come here, you. Come here, you. You got the crap out of this, didn't you? Hey, don't do that. Ow! God, he spined me. He spined the crap out of me, man. Ugh, I'm bleeding everywhere. Brutal, man. Brutal. Make me bleed my own blood, man. Okay. Yep, you're doing it, aren't you? Oh, what's the best way to do this? Hopefully the best way to do this is unhook him and get him back in the water before he spines me again. I don't like spines. Yeah, you got the crap out of this thing, didn't you? Yeah. Okay. Only got one out. One to go. Do this without injuring him. Okay. Yep, there he is. Holy cow, man. Absolutely brutal. Those spines hurt, man. I'm telling you. They don't feel good. I got fish slime in there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But we're onto them, man. We're freaking onto them. Oh, we're gonna go this way again. Oh, another freaking huge strike. They hit this thing so hard, man. They hit it so hard. Yeah. I think he only got the one trouble. Come here. It's not a big fish, but God, just biting it like a big fish. And so squirrely if you don't horse them, or if you horse them like that. I mean, gosh. I mean, we're kind of at the peak of the, well, not the peak, but we're kind of on the cusp of this fall transition where fish are going to start putting on the feed bag. And I mean, they're kind of chasing bait fish up shallow right now, and there's a lot of them up off the break lines that are just kind of weaving in and out, feeding on bait fish, like that one. That was a bite. Didn't quite get the fish, but that's okay. Ugh, there's another one. Dude, I lost him. That's okay. It just, I can't, it doesn't compute with me just how hard they're hitting this thing, man. They hit this crankbait like a ton of bricks. I have no idea what I'm getting into when they hit that thing. It could be a half pounder, or it could be a freaking DD. You just don't know. They all hit it just hard. Feels like you hooked into a sack of potatoes or something. Okay, this right here is where I want to be, on the outside edge of this brake line, right off of the edge of it. Getting weeds, but come on. You got one. Oh gosh, that's a big one. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's got to be the biggest one of the day so far. Oh, jeez, what a tank. Oh, what a tank. Come here, big girl. Oh, she's got it. Oh, she's got the crap out of it. Come here. Come here. Come here, sweetheart. Oh, no, she's... Okay, we got her. Holy cow, she's going to start thrashing. Let's get these hooks out quick before she does, because I don't need more spines in my hand and shit. I just want to get her. She hit that thing so hard, man. Golly. What did you do here, fish? There we go. All right. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Beautiful fish. Probably, I'd say easy 2-pounder. Yeah, she go, she go. Gosh, dude. This crankbait stuff is fun. I don't care who you are. Got one. Little largemouth. But... Skadoosh.